Hello friends, welcome to House of Apps English, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to add a beneficiary or payee account in HDFC using NetBanking option. Now before going ahead, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now a few days back I have already shown you how to add beneficiary account using HDFC Bank application, but in this video we are going to use the NetBanking process. So the very first thing you have to do is just simply open any particular browser in your mobile phone, or if you're using a laptop then you can use any particular browser and search for HDFC NetBanking. Now if you search for HDFC NetBanking, you get many options, but you have to select this netbanking.hdfcbank.com option. So select that website, it will take you directly to the login page. Now the first thing you have to do is you just have to enter customer ID. If you have user ID, you can enter the user ID. Now if you don't remember your customer ID, you have forgot customer ID option over here. You can choose that option, follow some steps, and within few seconds you will get your customer ID. So enter the customer ID, select continue option and go to the next page. Now on the next page, it will ask you to enter password. Now if you don't remember your password as well, so you can select forgot password option and it will ask you to enter customer ID, and within few seconds again you will be able to reset your password over there. Now I have already made a dedicated video on that. You will find a link for that video in description below. Now enter the password and just don't forget to check this box, and after that select login option. Now once the login is complete, all you have to do is just select fund transfer option on the home page. Let me zoom in. At the top you can see you get account option, fund transfer, bill and recharge option over here. Just select fund transfer option, and once you select fund transfer, on the left hand side you get transact option, inquire and request option. Just select request over here, and over here you can see there is an option of add a beneficiary. Select add a beneficiary. Now as soon as you select add a beneficiary option, it will ask you to select transaction type, and you can just select transfer to other bank option over here if you are adding account details which are from other banks. Now if you are adding a bank account details which is of HDFC Bank only, so in that case you can select transfer within the bank option, right? Now there is a note given over here, you can just take a look at it. Some important details are shown over here, like beneficiary activation takes 30 minutes post being added, so it will take 30 minutes to activate the beneficiary account. Next is, for the first 24 hours you will be able to transfer amount up to 50,000, and post that the amount will be increased, and some few important details are given over here, so you can read that before adding the beneficiary account details. Now let's select this transfer to other bank option. Let's tap on go option. On the next page, let me zoom in. It will ask you to enter beneficiary account number. If you have credit card number, you can use that as well. It will again ask you to re-enter beneficiary account number. You have to select the account type. You have to enter the IFSC code. You can enter the beneficiary name. You can enter the email ID. And once every detail has been filled up, you can select add option. Now as you all can see, I have entered all the details. Let's tap on add option. Now it will take you to the next page. Over here again you can cross verify all the details, and once you confirm it, you can select confirm option. Now as soon as you select confirm option, it might ask you for more authentication for the secure transaction. So all you can do is it will ask you to confirm your mobile number. It will send an OTP. You just have to enter the OTP and go ahead. So just tap on this box over here with your mobile number and select continue. Now over here you can see I need to enter the OTP. Now once you enter the OTP, select continue option. Now you can see the process is complete. You get this complete message. Within few seconds you can refresh the page and you can check if the beneficiary is really added or not. Or if you are not able to see that, again you can wait for a few minutes and you will be able to see the beneficiary account. Now as informed earlier, you can see they have again informed you once again that the beneficiary account will be activated after 30 minutes. So after that you can start doing the transaction. So this is how simple it is to add beneficiary or payee account in HDFC using NetBanking process. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.